I think you need to heat it up more.
It's starting to melt through. Here, let me show you.
Oh, it did, kind of.
We'll heat up a little more. Oh yeah, look, it's gotten through that first layer now on the red part.
Oh! That's one layer.
Now we're getting to the styrofoam.
Wait, is it illegal to do this?
Like, why would it be illegal to do this?
There's no law.
There's no law.
making
You can't cut a
capsules.
hole in an igloo thing.
Igloo?
That's a brand.
brand. Okay, so we're gonna heat this up again.
I'm like giving a home to a cat.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Is it going?
Okay, move. Oh.
Yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. I think I need to heat it up again.
It's cutting. Sticks. Yeah. It's cutting. It's cutting. Oh, yes. Oh, it stinks.
There we
Oh,
go.
we got it. Because it was kind of dark. See? Okay, off the video. Why are you changing? I can see well. We could even, like, maybe not this year, but we could, like, decorate it. I'm serious.
Yeah, not this year. Okay, that's good. I'll do the same thing in the inside, and then I'll do one more
So
layer
I can
of tape.
stop the video?
Yeah. Oh, good. Did she grab it?
Yeah, she
Good.
did. But there's more inside, like deeper inside.
Okay, so maybe she'll go back inside.
Right there.
Here you go.
Good girl.
Yeah, good girl.
Good. Yes, she went in.
Yeah.
She's not even here. Oh no. Oh no, she's good girl.
Oh, okay, now I'm going to put some straw in. Let's open it up.
Right here.
We'll sweep tomorrow, but it's so cold.